Hello everybody, I am Asad Zaman Biswas. I came today to discuss something about JavaScript functions related to number. So today I like to discuss about this method sil. Okay, then I like to discuss about this method here floor max and mean method. So let us discuss these methods with example. So let's write a script tag. Okay, the language is JavaScript, and finish this script tag. So what method you will start first? Your sil. Right, this sil method. So sil method is a method of math class, so we will write down math before that. So let us write down some number. Suppose here we write 566, and we will store the result returned by this method sil inside a variable that is your num. So let us see what is inside this variable num. So I will write here lard. Okay, so then write down num. Now let us save it. Look, we are getting here 6. Okay, so what the sil method did, sil method converted this number into its closest integer, right? So if we write down here, suppose if we write down here now 4, something like this. Okay, now if we go to your output, save the changes, again we got 6, right? Here actually in my previous discussion I shown you, if the number is if the number after this dot is greater than or equal to 5, in that case 1 is added to the number before this point. But in case of sil number, actually this concept is not used. Whatever the number inside after your dot, whatever it is, doesn't matter, but it will convert the number closest to the highest integer. That means if there is 5 before dot, in that case whatever it is after your dot, it might be greater than or less than or equal to 5 or less than 5, whatever it is, but this 5 will be added with 1. That is the function of sil. Okay, now if we go to your floor method, and floor is a method of math class, so we write down math here, and the same thing. Suppose if we do we can use the same number here. Look here, I will use here 5.66, and whatever the number result is returned by this method, let us store it inside a variable that is your num1, and let us see what is inside this variable num1. That means what the result we got by this method floor. I will command this, and now I will go to the output. Look, now it is 5. Okay, so this is 6, this is greater than 5, this 6 is greater than 5. Look, in this case even nothing is added with 5. That means the floor will convert the floating number into its closest lowest number. That means nothing will be added with 5, it will remain same as it is. That means after dot, whatever it is, and whatever it is doesn't matter, it might be equal to or greater than 5 or less than 5, whatever it is, it will remain same as it is. That means the number which is before this point will be as it is, right? Nothing will be added with this. This is the concept of floor. But sil will add 1 with the number before the point whatever after the point doesn't matter, it will add 1 before with the number that is before the point, right? That is the concept of seal and floor. So now we'll go to your max method. So let us check max method will check the maximum number from a given number. Okay, so let us give here some number. Suppose first 20, then 10, then 5, then 30. Here there are a number of numbers, 20, 10, 5, 30. The max method will find out within the given number which number is the maximum. So let us store the result inside a variable, that is suppose your num2. So we will see what is inside this num2 variable. That means what the result is returned by this max method. So let us check it on alert box. So we will write alert method, and inside this alert method we should write num2 to see what is inside this num2 variable. So go to output, save, look, we are getting 30. And if we check here, we are getting 30 is the maximum number. That means it gives us the highest number, right? So now I will discuss about another method, that is min, right? This method is also belongs to this class math. So we write down this class name before dot, then we can use the same numbers here. So let us copy it and do paste here. Okay, fine. If we look at these numbers, we are getting 5 is the minimum number, and mean method's task is to find out the minimum number within the given number. So let us store the result inside this variable num3, and let us see what is inside this variable num3. So let us write down alert method, and inside this alert method let us write down num3. Okay, now let us comment it, and then let us save and go to your output. Look, here we are getting 5, and if we check here, 5 is the lowest number, 5 is the minimum number, right? So after this, I discuss these functions in my coming class. I will discuss about few more things of JavaScript. So for today, goodbye everybody.